Hey, Matt Gagnon here. Today we're going to take a look at the Cybertruck through the MetaQuest 3 helmet. We're just outside of Montreal in Laval. The Cybertruck just came to one of the showrooms here, so I want to give you guys a quick look at it. So this is a dual motor, not the triple motor beast version. So this only has 600 horsepower, while the other one has, I think, 845. It's looking quite good. People were worried about the build quality of this truck, but it's looking pretty amazing in person. I don't know if you could see it through this 3D. I know not many of you have head-mounted displays or VR headsets that are able to look at this in 3D, but I thought I'd give you a quick look. So the Foundation Series trucks all come with these all-terrain tires. You can see that there's some wheel caps with these rubber ends on top that are supposed to help with some of the deflection of these tires. And I think all the Foundation Series come with this. You can see this massive wiper. So this car only has a single wiper. Yeah, this truck's looking really good. So this big light bar in front is actually not the headlights of the car. The headlights, I can just dip down, are actually right behind this piece of steel. And so they're like this really small bar that we see over there. And I think these are just for looks mostly. There is an option for a light bar on top of the windshield, although I think that's going to come at a later date. We can see that there's two tow hook areas here for winching other cars out of trouble. I know Tesla wanted to get the mirrors, wanted to ship the truck without the mirrors, but it doesn't pass our laws here in North America. And I think these are quite easy to remove. I saw a video on YouTube of this already. We can see the autopilot cameras inside the fender, right here on the B pillar. You can also see some of the fingerprints on the button. So there's no handles on the truck. You actually need to press on that button right above, let's say right at the base of the B pillar. We can see this squircle wheel inside, and I think it's an 18.5-inch LCD in there. And we can see there's a huge dash. We're going to take a quick look at the rear. So here we have the charge port, and I forgot to mention that these first delivered Cybertrucks, I'm not sure how many of them, are what we call the Foundation Series. So we could see that engraved badge right there, just on the side of this stainless steel panel. See, the Cybertruck is popular tonight. Sure, absolutely. You want to see what I see? All right, I'm just going to finish recording the back of it, and you could give it a try if you want. So here we have a single light bar, which looks amazing. And I think there's some brake lights in here. We could see the button here to open the vault door, as well as the rear door for the pickup bed. You can see there's some pretty sharp edges here, but the panel gaps look consistent and they look good. And I think here we could see another Foundation Series badge on the back of the Cybertruck. Yeah, so these, and I think this is the dual motor variant from what I understand. I think it's fast enough, huh? Beautiful truck, huh? What's your impression so far? Do you have one on order? It's a perfect winter truck, huh? For it's the dream. I wish I could afford it. For now, I'll just look. All right, guys, that's it for now. Catch you next one.